और अब खबरें तफसील से। रफाल सौदे पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मरकजी हुकूमत को बड़ी राहत दी है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि रफाल सौदे की जांच की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि कीमत देखना कोर्ट का काम नहीं है। अदालत ने कहा कि रफाल की खरीदारी का अमल जांच से परे है। वाज़ेह है कि रफाल डील मामले पर अपोजिशन ने मरकज को घेर रखा है। कांग्रेस ने रफाल डील को सबसे बड़ा घोटाला करार दिया है।
No less than the bench of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Mr. Justice Ranjan Gogoi and his brother judges. And the court has heard the arguments, heard the point of view of the government, of the petitioners, everyone, and has preferred to dismiss it. This raises a large question what the Bharatiya Janata Party had been repeatedly saying. This involves the nation's security. It's a decision that had been pending for a long time. But the Congress party and many people have chosen to try and manufacture a scam. They have tried to create a smoke where no smoke existed. The question of a fire does not exist. Side, if you win an election, then the EVMs are perfect. If you lose an election, then you will say that the EVMs are faulty. You can't have a situation where in the same elections, you win a state, the EVMs are okay. In another state, your own party colleagues say that they are not. Same is there with all of it.